Alright guys, welcome to my video. My name is Maza White. Now in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a free website for affiliate marketing. Alright, now you may not have heard about this particular website, but it's being used by more than 3 million people out there. It's completely free, it's easy to use, and it is very responsive. All right, so if you don't have a budget for an affiliate marketing website, you better stick with me till the end of this video. All right, so because you're going to need if you're into affiliate marketing, you're going to definitely need a website to promote your affiliate offers. All right, now if you're coming across my video for the very first time, don't fail to subscribe. In fact, you go ahead and subscribe right now so that you get notified every time I upload videos like this that help you to grow with affiliate marketing online business. And in case you're looking at ways to make money online not less than $2,000 every month, I'm going to be leaving the link to my free crash course below this video. So at the end of this video, go and click on that link to get your hand on my free crash course, because what that crash course is going to do for you is show you how to win with affiliate marketing online business. And if you have been struggling with affiliate marketing online business, I believe this is one course that you actually need. All right, this is one course that you actually need to begin to make money online. All right, so having said that, let's jump straight to the video of the day. All right guys, now the idea here is to find a platform to promote your affiliate offer, and a platform could be a website. All right, and then having a website or owning a website is very important in promoting your affiliate offer. But most times as a beginner, you don't have a budget for a website, and this is where this tutorial comes in. All right, we are looking for a way to create a free website. I'm going to show you how to actually own a free website without a budget. All right, and have yourself promote your affiliate offers. Now the first step in this tutorial is to go create accounts on any of the platforms. It can be ClickBank, Commission Junction, Warrior Plus, JVZoo. Go create account on these particular platforms. All right, and creating account on these particular platforms give you access to tons of product out there to promote as an affiliate marketer. All right, now you got to create your account on any of these platforms and then go to the marketplace. All right, and the next step is to define your niche, which is the market that you want to appeal to. What do you actually want to promote? All right, you must have a particular niche that you have to key into. All right, and the best of niches when it comes to affiliate marketing is things like weight loss, fitness, dating, relationship, make money online. All right, e-business. All right, these are some of the best niches, spirituality and all that. All right, so I'm on ClickBank affiliate marketplace right now, and these are the products on ClickBank. ClickBank got massive products, so also other platforms also has massive product, all right, that you can promote. So, and then check out the commissions that goes with every product that you're promoting. Check out the affiliate pages and get enough information about the product that you want to promote. Make sure that each time you promote this product, you're going to be making enough commission for yourself. All right, so the first step is to sign up with an affiliate network. All right, define your niche, come up here, choose a product. All right, and you are good to go. Okay, choose a product, generate your hop link, which is your affiliate link for that particular product, and you are good to go. But where are you going to be promoting your affiliate link? Are you going to be spamming your affiliate link all over the internet? And that is very wrong. You need a website. All right, you need a website. Now the website in question is actually this particular website called Jimdo. Now Jimdo has been here over a long time. Okay, it has a massive patronage. More than 3 million people are patronizing this particular platform. All right, and it's massive, it's huge, but not many people know about this particular website. All right, now if I put on my similar web extension, let's check out what is actually happening on this platform. Now, if you check out the monthly visit to this platform is about 7 million, 7 point something, 7.50 million visits every month. All right, and the bulk of visitors from this particular website are from top countries like Germany, Japan, France, Australia. All right, that tells you that this platform or this website is quite huge. All right, now the question is, are you going to pay to use this platform? No, you're not going to pay to use this platform. All right, actually this website has a free plan. Let's check out the pricing. All right, now in the free plan, this is choose the Jindo plan that's right for you. Now this particular free plan, all right, which is completely free and comes with all the base features. The only different thing is that you're going to be using a subdomain or a subdomain. All right, that means at the end of your website you're going to have jindosite.com. all right, so your because you don't have a custom name or a custom domain, you're going to have jindosite.com, all right, as a subdomain until you upgrade. If you upgrade to this plan called start plan, which is about $9 per month, then you can add your own domain. All right, so this is everything about their free plan. All right, now let me show you what the website look like. Now in this tutorial I'm not going to go deep into creating this website. I'm going to leave the link to a video that will show you how to build this website. All right, and the beautiful thing about building website on Jindo is that Jindo website builders are quite simple to use. They are very, very simple. It's a beginner thing. Okay, it's responsive, and you will love it. It's colorful, not quite a complicated one. All right, anybody can come here and build a website for himself. For example, if you look at here right now, I'm building this website up. All right, I'm building this website right away, and very, very easy to use, very, very easy to build. All right, so you can come here, build the website of your choice. It's going to take you through processes, and then it's quite easy to create your account on this website. Very, very easy, very, very easy. What I love about this website is that everything about it is very, very easy. I'm using it currently, and I tell you, it's very, very easy to use. It's beginner friendly. All right, anybody can use it. Okay, so now the essence of creating a website, of having a website, is that your website should be able to do your sales for you even when you're not there. All right, your website is your shop front. All right, it should be able to interact with your customer, do your sales for you even when you are sleeping. All right, so come on here, build your website for free, use the free plan, and then you can upgrade when you have money. All right, so having created your website, you can go to places like Quora to share the link to your website. All right, share the link to your website on popular site like come here, answer questions, or create a space for yourself. Like I have a space here. All right, I have a space on Quora. All right, come on here, create your space, answer questions on Quora, and leave the link to your website. And then each time somebody click on your link, he's going to be taken straight to your website. All right, and then straight to the offer that you're promoting, and you make your sales. All right, another place you can also go is Find a Forum. Now Find a Forum is actually a forum, a platform that has different forums, different categories of forums, niches. All right, like here now you have things like computer and internet, dieting and weight loss. So if you click on any of this category, it's going to take you to groups, different groups on different that has to do with all this, like make money online. It will take you to groups about making money online. And also it has niches. So come on here, create your account, promote your link that goes directly to your website. All right, it's very, very simple, and it's vital that you have a website. Okay, So that is it for this video. If you're getting value from this tutorial, please don't forget to leave me a like, don't forget to leave a comment, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and then if you have questions, you can ask questions and I'm going to be here to answer your questions. All right, so go and do what I just showed you here. Go ahead and do it. Just go ahead and do it. All right, go ahead and do it and it will pay you off. Thank you for being there till the end of this video. See you in my next video.